One more rep. One more rep. Not again. In bed? This is like the 5th time. Oh. Welcome to Winter Shredding episode 6. So today I'm going to be going over the top apps that I use that help me to effectively manage and track my progress throughout this entire cut. So as you can see right now, I'm going to be weighing myself, and I'm going to be using a smart scale, which are getting pretty popular. You can get it for pretty cheap. The one I'm using is the Renpho smart scale. So as you can see, I connected up to the Renpho app, and you have to go bare feet on this one to get all the metrics. And it basically takes signals and measures body fat, weight, and a bunch of other measurements. Now, in terms of the measurements themselves, I wouldn't sweat out too much about what the measurements themselves say, as much as your progress from the start to the end, as long as you measure using the same set of measurements, whether that's a scale or anything else for body fat, for weight, for everything else. MyFitnessPal is the next app I use daily. So MyFitnessPal is pretty popular, pretty easy to use, and everyone more or less uses it for any sort of meal prep and tracking your calories. And you can also track your macros on it, even though that's not necessary. It's very easy to set everything up, and once you get the hang of it in terms of actually tracking and logging in all your meals, etc., it's super easy, especially if you save meals and you have meals consistently. Even that, if that's once every 3 days or so, if you have them saved, you don't have to find them again. You can just find that meal and save them. And they also have a very good database of foods that you can look at and use. So you can search, you can look at your past history or saved meals, and you can use the barcode as well to scan any food items or products that you have. And if it's in their database, that barcode will then scan and register properly. So the last thing I'm tracking, aside from weight and body fat and my calories and mainly protein but also macros, is the actual workouts themselves. So I'm tracking what sort of weight I'm doing, and that's important as well to make sure I'm retaining as much strength as possible and just keeping an overall eye out on what exercises I'm doing as well. So I use the app Strong 5x5. This is also free, and both Strong 5x5 and MyFitnessPal have premium versions. As you can see from my account, I just have the free version. I don't think it's necessary to have the premium one. So one of the major differences I would say is that the premium version, at least for this Strong 5x5 app, is you can save more custom workouts. But it's not necessary, because you can see here, and this is a quick little tip, you can look through a history, and let's say you have a 3-day split or even a 5-day split of workouts. You can just scroll back in your history, click on the exercise that you want to do again, and scroll down, and it will say perform again, and you can just do that again. So that's why it's pretty awesome, because both Strong 5x5 and MyFitnessPal are free. And then obviously any sort of weight scale you're buying is gonna cost money, but the app comes with it as of no charge as of right now. So you buy this Renpho scale, they have different versions, $20, $40, whatever it is, relatively standard for any weight scales, and then you get the app. So those are the top 3 apps or tools that I used. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys already do use these apps, I would love for you guys to comment down below which apps you use and how it helped you, or if you have any questions, I'd love to answer those as well. That'll be it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like. Peace out, guys.